Hey, what's going on, guys? Factions Ghoster, and welcome to Mortal Company Mobile. This game is basically a clone of Lethal Company, to be exact, because it's gonna play the same. So, yeah, I guess I found the mobile version of Lethal Company, and I didn't play it yet, so I'm gonna be playing it with you and experiencing either the horror or the dumbness of this game. So, if you guys enjoyed this video, please click like and subscribe for more videos like this, and share it to all of your friends. And, yeah, let's start. But I'm gonna start off with playing a, new game. And as I expected, the same as Lethal Company. God damn, it's gonna be,
Welcome to your first day on the job. This is your very own autopilot ship, where you will eat and sleep for the duration of your contract. Make yourself at home. To complete you will want to check the instruction manual assigned to your ship's computer. We trust you will be a great asset to the company. Great asset to the company.
okay, yeah, this is the same as Lethal Company, as I can see. The graphics are more shitty, and hold on, let me turn down the volume, because it's very, very loud. Okay, confirm the change. Yeah, and look at this. As soon as I shine my light, it will look different. Now, let me see if I can find like a way to enter. There seems to be somewhere to enter from there. There might be monsters like the actual game, so I'm not really sure. And I'm gonna be terrified because this is actually kind of like a horror game. Okay, I found the entrance area. I'm gonna be terrified, not gonna lie. Yup. Yep, I'm scared. I'm just scared of this. Oh, mother. Okay. This area is occupied, so I'm gonna just like, take this too quickly. No, never mind. Okay, I need to take the thing beside it. Oh, mother... Okay. Thank you. See you later. I don't know what the hell... Okay, hold on. Value, wait... Okay, this is good, I guess. Let me use it for this area. What the? Okay, yeah, I need to go back. Let me close this area and then go, No, not this way. This way. So, I immediately found something that shoots at me, and also found an engine, which is perfect, to say the least. And I'm very much damaged. Okay, I'm gonna go down. Get that freaking thing. Very heavy, to say the least. There it goes, perfect. Okay, let me put it down. Okay, this just takes me away. No. I don't know what... Mm, okay, I think I'm good. At least. Okay, I'm back. Okay, I need to go back in there just so I can gather some more stuff. Oh, the bat! Oh, got it! Damn it, I don't have any more battery for my my flashlight. That means I'm gonna be horrified at the very least. I don't need the freaking flashlight. Okay, this is 10 times Scorpio. No, mother. I need to find a way to get a freaking flashlight. I don't know where to get it. I saved myself! Okay, I need to find a way to get a flashlight. Hold on. This game is just... I need a way to get... I need a way to charge it. Moons, to see the list of moons that... Okay. For 2 days deadline. Okay, service manual. I can't even read most of these. This is possibly can turn into a multiplayer game, but later. So I'm not.
Report to the company building immediately to sell your scrap metal and other goods. You have 2 days left to meet the profit quota. You can use the terminal to route the autopilot to the company building.
Okay.
As you have not met the profit quota, your performance has been deemed below standard. Welcome to our disciplinary process.
Okay. You are fired. You do not need the... Damn it. Okay, now I'm just gonna retry doing that whole thing. This time I'm gonna save the battery as much as I need. And I think I need... Charge battery. Ooh! This is why I charge the battery. Okay, got it. Okay. Okay, I'm just gonna go inside the freaking place and try to get the stuff that I need. I just wish there's no like not monsters that are behind me. I know it's at 8 AM. Give me in. Yeah, this is basically telling me that I will die immediately. Wait, what? Really? From the start? And my hand is full. My hand is full. Now I have to go back in so I can be done. Scan it. Okay. FRCL, second page, whatever. Okay, now. Got it! God damn, okay, I need to throw this, turn this off, charge the battery. That goes perfect. Now I can go back and just, What the hell did I just see? Okay, never mind that. I'm gonna need to run quickly and back into the freaking facility so I can deal with the bullshit that is called Lethal Company like shit. If this game actually turns out to be like an, you know, the developer actually working on Lethal Company Mobile, that would be perfect. Stuff with Mo Valley. Nope, 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 nope. That scared the hell out of me. No, no, no. Nope. Nope, I heard that. Those are like weeping angels. No, 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 no. Fuck that. Fuck that. Fuck that. No, 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 no. I'm not gonna play this game. No, 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 no. Fuck that. No, no, no. You motherfucking bitch. Total is 60. Okay, I need more to, like, you know, do most of this shit, but I refuse. What the f... Okay. No, I'm done. Nah-uh. Nah-uh. Even though this wouldn't get me home, nah-uh. No, no, no. Fuck that. Oh, okay, I'm gonna end it here because that scared the absolute hell out of me to the point of me singing a song about fuck that shit, I'm out. Like almost that kind of like style. No. Okay. If you guys enjoyed this video, please click like and subscribe. I'm not gonna play this game until the next foreseeable non-future. And yeah, see you guys later. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and share it to all of your friends. And yeah, see you guys later. And fuck this shit, I'm